Wow, check that out, y'all. Armrest for the back. That's cool if I say so myself. Wow, it even had a freaking sunroof. Now what's crazy is the sunroof is like not in the front of the car, right? But it's kind of like in the back. It's like for the passengers. That's crazy right there. We Hustle Daily. What's going on, Hustle Nation? Welcome back to another video. It's your boy Big Play Ray with the hater blockers on. Gotta keep these on. Shouts out to the whole Hustle Nation. Shouts out to Copart. We're on our way to Copart. Speaking of Copart, if y'all don't remember, I don't even know if it's gonna be yesterday's video because it was a couple of, it's not gonna be yesterday's video, but if y'all be watching the videos, you know, have y'all be tuned in, y'all be tuned in regular, y'all know it's a 19, it was two cars. It was a Nissan Sentra, the red one with the hood, like, damn, drive your car, bro. Red with the hood kind of messed up, so I couldn't get the hood open in the Copart. I don't know if y'all remember that. And it was another day I had seen a Toyota Camry, 1995, that white Toyota Camry. I'm gonna show y'all in this video. But so those cars actually run today, so we gonna see if I win those today. Hopefully I can win them. By the time I get in the auction and everything, the time, you know, the auction will be done started and stuff. So I don't know if I won the car like while I'm in there walking around. And I'm gonna actually show y'all the car today because I don't have too many cars on my list. I got two more cars that I personally want to check out. Of course, if I see something else cool in there, I'm gonna show y'all that. But I got a Pontiac and I think a Pontiac and another Camry, as a matter of fact. A Pontiac and another Camry. So we're gonna be looking at those too. So make sure you guys though like, comment, and subscribe to the channel for me. Hit that notification bell. Make sure y'all follow me on Instagram. Link in the description, wehustledaily.co. And make sure y'all go to whdacademy.com if y'all interested in learning how to buy and sell cars and put no money in them and be able to ride home. You know what I'm saying? Because a lot of people ain't riding home. So for example, I don't really know if I really want that Sentra though. So I'm honestly not even I'll probably show y'all that car in today's video too, but I'm not really sure if I want that Sentra though because of the hood. I can't get the hood open. The back got like hella pet hair, and you know, I don't know, man. I just passed up on another car that y'all probably seen, and that probably was yesterday's video. That Buick LaCrosse, I think it was. Y'all gotta watch the videos, you know what I'm saying, so y'all can, you know what I mean, so y'all know what I'm talking about. But it had 80,000 miles on it. I found out that car had a rebuilt title, so I'm definitely not gonna mess with that. But yeah, let's get inside here, man. I ain't gonna talk y'all ear off. Oh, but that's what I was gonna say. This car right now that I'm about to get, this Camry, hopefully, you know, if everything goes right, I'm gonna drive it out. Yeah, I'm gonna be driving it home just like y'all see me driving everything else home. So again, if y'all want to learn how to do that, man, and learn how to pick out a good car, you know, I be having some people hitting me up, be like, hey man, can you help me pick out a car? Like, all you gotta do is get the academy. That's all you gotta do. You will be able to pick out a good car and even learn even more. You know what I'm saying? Like, I personally don't even have the time to be, you know, go with nobody to no auction and help you pick out a car. You know what I'm saying? So make sure y'all get that academy, man, and y'all can learn everything y'all need to know, man. So let's get right into it, man. I know I've been talking for a long time. I can talk, but let's get it. All right, y'all. See what I mean by when I say I found something cool? So we got a Mitsubishi Pajero. I think that's how you pronounce it, Pajero. As you can see, though, it does have the fender missing. The heck is that, a bag? Did they put that over there to try to save that or what? But it does have a fender missing, some bumper damage right here. But this thing is pretty cool. If I say it myself, I'm sorry, y'all. I'm tripping. If the camera's a little shaky, man, I can't help it. But you see the wheels, they got good tires on it. Exceed, it says intercooler turbo 2800. Wow, that's crazy. You don't see these on the road often. 1994 Mitsubishi Pajero. It says caution makes frequent stops, but it got a Land Cruiser little wheel thing on here. Prado. Got the US mail. Whoa, this thing got a backup camera? Oh, it didn't come with a backup camera. They put a backup camera on here. Okay. Oh, there's your fender right there. And then we got some more goodies in here. What the heck are these? Oh, they're seats. Okay. So I think you can just like unflop this. Yeah. And take this down. I probably can't do it because I ain't got enough hands, but I got the camera holding the other hand. But yeah, so you can see, man, they got third row seating in this thing, and seats fold up so you can actually have like a whole bunch of room in here. I think that's super cool, man. Here's this, you unlock it kind of like a door. Should still have the in here, right? Let's see. Yeah, got all the tools and everything in here for you, man. Well, a couple of them are actually missing, but y'all see what's going on though. Close that back. Let's finish checking this thing out. We gotta check the motor out. It says intercooler 2800 turbo. It says got the little ashtrays right here for you. That's cool, huh? Seats are nice. What the heck is that? That's the armrest. Wow, check that out, y'all. Armrest for the back. That's cool, if I say so myself. Y'all gotta admit, this is a nice little cool old car. Had the grill. Wow, it even had a freaking sunroof. Now what's crazy is the sunroof is like not in the front of the car, right? But it's kind of like in the back. It's like for the passengers. That's crazy right there. That's cool as ever right there. And it got power. Can you believe that? This thing is pretty cool. Yep, y'all see what's going on. It is right side driving. You can drive it on the right side. That's cool as ever. Glove box on this side. Yo, little bar right here. Got some type of gauges. That little gauge right there is moving. I don't know what that gauge is right there. That middle one. That's pretty cool though. So you can see the bottom. And a little radio in here. Man, what the heck is this for? The cups or what? Nah, ashtray. Where you keep your cups at in this thing? Oh, in the armrest. But you just have to put the armrest down. Wait. Oh, okay. Wow. Okay, so cups go in there. Okay. And it control the AC and stuff like that from the back too. So that's cool, man. Let's get on the right side of this thing. The correct side. It's gonna open for me. Okay. See how many miles on this thing? 164,000 looks like. Oh no, I'm sorry. Damn, that's a 2. 124. I'm tripping. So y'all can see what's going on. Oh, motor is doing the Harlem shake though. Motor is knocking a little bit, but it does crank up, man. This would be a nice little project for somebody. Wow, we got an OBD2 scanner and a 94? I didn't know that. That's for the gas. And where's the hood prop? Right here in front of me. What'd that say? Throttle. I don't know what that is, guys. I know you can't control the throttle with that thing. That's crazy. 124 miles though. We're gonna actually turn that off. But I think that's, matter of fact, let me sit in this thing real quick. Let Ray sit in this thing real quick, see how it feels to drive on the right side. Get this just to drive on the right side. Like, y'all ever seen somebody driving on the right side in traffic? I've seen like a couple of times, but you don't see it, of course, a whole lot. But man, this thing is pretty cool though. Yeah, I think this thing is cool. Kind of rare here. And you got the little vent right there. Oh, the hood is kind of heavy. Intercooler looks like a V. Oh snap! Let me see. Hold up. Try to hold this. You got all this Chinese writing right here. That's crazy right there, man. But anyway, it's a turbo 1, 2, 3, 4-cylinder. That's what it looks like to me, ladies and gentlemen. Correct me if I'm wrong, but that's definitely what it looks like to me. Well, it's 4-cylinder, 2800. Y'all let me know in the comments below though, but just had to show y'all that because this thing was definitely pretty cool. All right, y'all, so here's one of the 2 cars I wanted to check out the day before we actually see the car that I'm actually trying to bid on today. This is a 2005 Pontiac Grand Prix. We got to see if the Grand Prix is going to actually crank up for us, because y'all know that I only be buying cars that's cranking up, that got power. If you don't know, now you know. They in that door, then there's swung all the way open. I don't see nothing on. I don't see nothing on. So we gotta go in here and just check, man. Let's not waste no time. It's kind of windy out here. Let's not waste no time. But the body looks good. Yeah, I've had one of these before. Pretty quick little cars. It wasn't the turbo or anything, just a regular joint. Yep, gotta keep it moving. And again, for y'all who don't know why I don't crank cars or have a jump box, make sure you go to wehustledaily.com. All right, ladies and gentlemen, and this is the car that I plan on winning today. I might not even show y'all the red car, or I might. It's just a long walk, but this is the car that I plan on winning today. It's a 1995 Toyota Camry. As you can see, the body is in good condition. Check out the tires. You know, check out the tires on there. Everything, man. Just a little wash. Well, yeah, that comes off. A little wash. Run it through the car wash, or hit it with some water or something like that. Honestly, because all this is like the little pollen that we got. So I probably, man, don't even need the water. Man, y'all probably see what I do to this thing. Now, it does have some tape right here. Didn't notice that the first time. We'll be leaving that alone. That looks like that actually is a, I was just about to say, it looks like it's an AT&T sign or something. So all tires are good on this thing. 148,000 miles on this 1995 right here. So y'all can check it out. They ain't got 10 on here and everything. I could ride this, Hustle Nation. Interior. Oh, my legs. What the heck is this? See, when you get in the car again, man, you start noticing stuff that you have not noticed. I'll probably cut this and not use that or something. Maybe it was for the radio or something, but y'all see that? Yeah, maybe this is for radio, for satellite radio. Yeah, it is. I'm tweaking. So y'all see interior. So we actually about to see if we win this, man. We got a couple of like, by the time I walk like all the way back to the front, damn near, I should be known if I, you know, got this car or not. So y'all check it out, man. It's super clean, 140 something thousand miles, man. So definitely, man, plan on coming out here with this. Don't even have to do nothing to the like mats or anything, man. I'm just really like, this is the type, this is what I like to buy right here. This is a perfect example. Sorry, this is a perfect example of me about to buy something and literally, where the freak is the hood prop? This is a perfect example of me about to buy something and drive it home, don't put no money in it, and just sell it. You know what I'm saying? So the only thing that I did notice about the car, I ain't gonna lie to y'all, which if y'all watch the video, y'all already know, when I did crank the car the first time, when you hit the crank, it's like the starter might be going out. I don't know, or the battery could have not like had enough power. I'm not sure, but you might have to. I had to hit it, like I hit it one time. You turn the key over, click, and then you try to close it again, it'll crank. You know what I'm saying? So, you know, I don't know, but yeah. So we about to see if I win this car, man. I know it's a windy. I'm sorry. I'm probably about to show y'all the red car too, and then we got another Camry to check out. So y'all wish me luck on this thing, man. I do plan on winning this thing. We about to see. Like I say, by the time I walk down there, we should know what's going on. What's up, Hustle Nation? This video has been sponsored to you by wehustledaily.com, the online course that's going to teach you everything you need to know about the auction game, all my tips on how to properly inspect cars, and most importantly, how to make money. As you can see, I've been doing this for a while. And as you can also see, I have plenty of testimonials on how I've helped others gain success in this business. So if you're interested in learning, be sure to click the link in the description below. All right, we can look at this real quick. I decided to come over, but as you can see, could not get the hood open. Current bid is like at $500 right now with Copart fees and everything. 240,000 miles. with Copart fees and everything, that's going to be like damn near $800, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yeah, probably about 800 buckaroos out the door. But as you can see, it was a nice looking car, but I just don't think I'm gonna mess with it. I don't even have a bid on there, but I can show y'all what's going on. A whole bunch of freaking pet hair is what's going on. It's everywhere, man. So I just want to show y'all that real quick. Y'all let me know if y'all think it's worth $800 though in the comments below. It did crank up and everything. It did sound, you know, decent and everything. It passed my test, my wehustledaily.com test, but I'm just not feeling it. As far as I can't get the hood open, I'm gonna have to get another hood, or man, maybe I'm tripping. Maybe I could sell it like that. You know, some people come buy a car from you, they don't even open the hood. You feel me? So I don't know, but I'm gonna keep moving though, y'all. All right, guys, we got some good news, man. I did just win the Toyota Camry, but it's on approval. So on approval means like maybe if, like, so, you know, they might accept the bid for what I want it for, or they may you know, want more money. So but I did win the car. It just on approval. I'm not even sure if it's I'm gonna be able to get it today. I don't know. Sometimes Copart is fast when they do that, and then sometimes it's like the next day to, you know, see if you won the car. But as far as that Toyota Camry we was going to look at, we're actually not going to look at it. It's a Corolla actually, and it's a stick shift. I actually seen that car last week, and I'm not interested in the stick shift. So yeah, man, but I did win that car, man. Hopefully you know, I can leave out with it right now. Of course, that's going to be another video, so it's going to be a wrap for this one though. Shout out to the whole Hustle Nation. Special thanks to Copart, man. Make sure you guys like, comment, subscribe to the channel. Make sure you guys go to wehustledaily.com if you want to learn how to buy and sell cars, properly inspect cars, because believe it or not, I'm about to ride that 1995 Toyota Camry an hour and a half back to where it gotta go. You know what I'm saying? And you're not able to drive in Copart. So if you want to learn all my skills and tips and techniques, make sure you go to the website wehustledaily.com. Appreciate y'all watching, man. It's your boy Ray. Big Play Ray. I bought a Toyota Camry today. They just gotta give it to me. I'm gone. Peace.